Welcome to our YouTube video on how Los Angeles is restoring its ancient river system into an urban green oasis. Did you know that the concrete-lined Los Angeles River was once a thriving waterway with diverse ecosystems and abundant wildlife? Over time, urbanization and development led to its channelization, causing devastating environmental consequences, including pollution and habitat loss. However, in recent years, the city of Los Angeles has launched an ambitious effort to restore the LA River to its natural state. In this video, we will explore the history of the LA River, the need for restoration, the current restoration efforts, and the future of the river. Join us on this journey to learn how a city can transform its once neglected river into a vibrant green space for all to enjoy. The Los Angeles River has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Prior to the arrival of European settlers, the river served as an important water source for the indigenous Tongva people. The river was also home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including cottonwood trees, willows, and numerous species of fish and birds. However, with the rapid growth of Los Angeles in the early 20th century, the river underwent significant changes. To prevent flooding, the city began to channelize the river, lining its banks with concrete and altering its natural course. This engineering project effectively turned the once lively river into a massive storm drain. The channelization of the LA River had a devastating impact on the environment. Many of the plants and animals that once called the river home were displaced, leading to a loss of biodiversity. Additionally, the concrete lining of the river prevented water from seeping into the ground, exacerbating the city's water shortage problems. In recent years, however, there has been a renewed interest in restoring the LA River to its natural state. Advocates for river restoration argue that it could bring numerous benefits to the city, including improved water quality, increased flood protection, and enhanced recreational opportunities. Efforts to restore the river have been ongoing for several decades, but progress has been slow. In 1990, the city established the Los Angeles River Revitalization Master Plan, which called for the creation of a 32-mile greenway along the river's banks. Since then, numerous restoration projects have been launched, including the creation of new parks and the removal of concrete in certain areas. Despite the challenges that come with restoring such a heavily engineered river system, there is hope that the LA River can once again become a thriving ecosystem and a beloved green space for the city's residents. The restoration of the LA River is crucial for the health of the city and its inhabitants. The channelization of the river has resulted in many negative consequences, including pollution, flooding, and loss of biodiversity. By restoring the river to its natural state, we can mitigate these issues and create a healthier and more sustainable environment. One of the primary benefits of river restoration is improved water quality. The current concrete lining of the river prevents water from naturally filtering through the soil, leading to increased levels of pollution. Restoring the river's natural banks and vegetation can help filter out pollutants and improve water quality. River restoration can also help with flood control. With its concrete lining, the LA River is essentially a massive storm drain, carrying water away from the city during heavy rainstorms. However, the channelized river is often not able to handle large amounts of water, leading to flooding in surrounding areas. By restoring the river's natural floodplain, water can be absorbed into the ground more effectively, reducing the risk of flooding. Restoring the LA River also has social justice implications. The river runs through many underserved communities, and restoring it can provide these communities with increased access to green space and recreational opportunities. A revitalized river can help improve the quality of life for all residents of Los Angeles. Finally, restoring the LA River is an important step in combating climate change. Urban green spaces, such as the restored river, can help reduce the urban heat island effect and mitigate the effects of air pollution. Additionally, natural river systems are important for carbon sequestration, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Overall, the restoration of the LA River is essential for the health of the city and its residents. By creating a green, accessible river system, we can improve water quality, reduce the risk of flooding, provide underserved communities with increased access to green space, and mitigate the effects of climate change. The restoration of the LA River is a complex and ongoing process that involves a variety of stakeholders, including government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and community groups. There are several key restoration efforts currently underway that are helping to transform the LA River into an urban green oasis. One of the most significant restoration efforts is the removal of concrete in certain areas of the river. In recent years, several sections of the river have been de-channelized, allowing water to flow through natural banks and vegetation. This has helped to restore habitat for wildlife and improve water quality by allowing water to naturally filter through the soil. Another major restoration effort is the creation of new parks and green spaces along the river's banks. The city has committed to creating a 32-mile greenway along the river, which will provide residents with increased access to green space and recreational opportunities. One example of this is the LA River State Park, which was created in 2017 and offers a variety of amenities, including hiking trails, picnic areas, and a nature center. In addition to these large-scale restoration efforts, there are also many community-led projects aimed at improving the LA River. For example, the Friends of the LA River is a non-profit organization that works to protect and restore the river through education, advocacy, and community engagement. The organization organizes regular cleanup events and tree planting activities along the river's banks, helping to improve the health of the river and build community connections. Another community-led project is the North Atwater Creek Restoration Project, which is a joint effort between the city and community groups to restore a section of the river near the Atwater Village neighborhood. The project involves removing concrete and planting native vegetation, creating habitat for wildlife, and improving water quality. There are also many innovative restoration projects being developed to address specific issues related to the river. For example, the LA River Index is a tool developed by the city to track the progress of river restoration efforts and help identify areas that need further attention. The tool includes data on water quality, habitat restoration, and community engagement, providing a comprehensive overview of the health of the river. Finally, there are efforts underway to incorporate sustainable design principles into the restoration of the LA River. For example, the city's Greenway 2020 plan includes provisions for permeable pavement, rain gardens, and other green infrastructure features to help manage stormwater runoff and improve water quality. Despite the progress that has been made, there are still many challenges to restoring the LA River. One major issue is funding, as restoration projects can be expensive and require ongoing maintenance. Another challenge is the need to balance restoration efforts with the needs of the community, including addressing concerns around displacement and gentrification. However, with continued collaboration and community engagement, there is hope that the LA River can be fully restored to its natural state. The restoration of the river will not only provide environmental benefits, but also create a vibrant and inclusive public space for all to enjoy. In conclusion, the restoration of the LA River is an ongoing effort that involves a variety of stakeholders and community members. While there are still challenges to be addressed, significant progress has been made in recent years, and there are exciting projects in the works that will further transform the river into an urban green oasis. The restoration of the LA River is not only important for the environmental benefits it provides, but also for the social and economic benefits it brings to the community. By providing access to green space and recreational opportunities, the restoration of the river can improve the quality of life for residents and contribute to the economic vitality of the region. Ultimately, the restoration of the LA River is a testament to the power of collaboration and community engagement. By working together, we can transform urban spaces into vibrant and sustainable public spaces that benefit us all.